In this lesson, we're going to look at the square root function. We're going to begin by just taking this function, f of x is square root x, and then filling out this table based on the function. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. When x is -1, we have f of -1 is equal to square root -1, and this is undefined, right? You cannot take the square root of a negative number. Okay, when x is 0, we have f of 0 is equal to square root 0, and square root of 0 is 0. All right, now here we have f of 1, so we have square root of 1, and square root of 1 is 1. Okay, now we have square root of 4, right? And what times itself equals 4? This is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Now we have square root of 9. That gives us 3. And then square root of 16. Square root of 9 is 3. And then square root of 16 is 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and plot these points and see what this graph looks like. Square root x. Starts out at 0, 0. And then it goes to 1, 1. Okay, and then it goes to 4, 2. And then to 9 and 3. You see that? And it goes out to 16 and 4. And it goes to positive infinity in terms of its domain. Right? But that's kind of what it looks like. It just slopes up like that and follows this pattern, right? So the pattern that you see is it goes up 1, right 1, up 2, right 4, up 3, right 9, right? So 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. All right? And so when we fill out these, when we graph g of x and h of x, notice we kind of want to follow that similar pattern, right? The same rules apply, but it's just shifted a little bit. Okay, so g of x, this is x square root x minus 1. This is shifted just right 1. Okay, so when we look at this point, it starts here, right? And then it goes up 1, right 1, up 2, right 4, up 3, and then right 9. So something like that. Right? It's just shifted 1 to the right. And then h of x, this is shifted. This is left. This is left 6 and up 3. Okay, so let's start this left 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then up 3. 1, 2, 3. And so this is where we start. Okay, and now we're going to go from this point. We're going to go up 1, right 1. Up 2, right 4. And then up 3, right 9. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you got it. Okay, so that's kind of it. Right? The square root function follows these same rules, and you got the pattern. Up 1, right 1, up 2, right 4, up 3, right 9. Okay, and the last thing that we're going to do here is write an equation given these graphs. So let's first look at h of x. Notice that this is shifted left 4 and then up 3. So we're going to write that this is square root of, right, and to shift left 4, we need to say x plus 4. And then to go up 3, we say plus 3. All right, f of x, that's just shifted up 1. So what we're going to say is that this is square root of x and then plus 1. And then, this should be g of x. G of x is shifted right 4. So we're going to say square root x minus 4. And then it shifted down 5. So we're going to say minus 5. All right, and that is it. Thanks a lot for watching.